Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether Goodbudget connects to your bank account. Goodbudget does not automatically connect to your bank account. Unlike many modern budgeting apps that use services like Plaid to sync your transactions in real time, Goodbudget takes a completely different approach based on the traditional envelope system. Instead of automatic syncing, Goodbudget relies on manual entry or the option to import bank statements. When you spend money, you manually log the transaction into the app, or you can download a statement from your bank as a QFX, OFX, or CSV file and upload it into Goodbudget to reconcile your accounts. There are two primary reasons why Goodbudget is designed this way. First, it forces you to actively engage with your money. When you manually enter every purchase, you become much more aware of your spending habits, which naturally helps you stick to your budget. Second, it eliminates the security concerns and potential connection errors that often come with linking bank credentials to third-party applications. While manual entry requires a bit of discipline, it gives you complete control and ensures your financial data stays private. If you prefer automated bank feeds where transactions update instantly without your input, Goodbudget might not be the right fit for you. However, if you want a hands-on tool that builds strong financial mindfulness and keeps you accountable to your spending limits, the manual approach is a powerful method. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.